Hey guys, it's Queenie Go. So today it's in Rasoi Joy, whatever you want to call it. I'm making some tea. This is one I made earlier. No, this is just water. So to make Indian cha, what we do is you need a pan, water. So chuck that water in. I mean, the whole essence of Indian tea really is obviously the fact that you make it in a pan and not a kettle. So yes, next step is to put it on the gas. Now do it safely, kids. Ask your parents. There we are. So we've got the water on boil. Next, need to throw in the tea bag. Now you can use loose tea, it's probably better for you really. And then comes the spices. So with the Indian tea, you can put in whatever spices you want. Now, this is a mixture my dad usually uses. I'm not using it because it's just way too strong. He's like sort of grinded it all up. So he's got lychee, which are these, cardamon, cinnamon in there. He's got saunf, which when I find out the English name for it, I'll tell you. He's got little pieces of saunf. You can see those. Put those in. So yeah, so black clove, cinnamon as well, and I think that's about it. So Indian tea, you can make it as masaledar, as spiced up as you want. Me, I prefer mine pretty simple, so I usually just put in cardamom and saunf, which is, I think it's fennel seed, but I'll check that and let you know in the information below. I don't really want to put any cinnamon in my tea. I like it pretty simple, but it has to have these flavors. This is a mushed up version of cardamom and fennel seeds. You should grind this all up because it's just so much easier, but don't grind it too much, it becomes a powder. And then obviously add the sugar, as much as you want. I'm happy usually with one spoon, one small teaspoon. Bubble and boil, toil and trouble, fire burn, go around bubble. Kidding, just let it bubble. Oh, good. Depending on how many cups you need to make for a good amount of time. Make it as much as you want. Just pour it in, put the gas on high, and let it bubble and boil again. Now my dears, the tea is done. It's all boiled, whatever you want to call it. And you just need to fill it into your cup. Nice. Look at that steamy goodness. Now folks, your tea is done. And the best way to enjoy this, like a typical Indian, is I hate when people make that noise though. Go rock that Indian tea. Don't forget guys to like, comment, subscribe and share. If you know someone that loves Indian tea but doesn't know how to make it, share this video.